Welcome to Nursiscope Incorporated, where nursing meets innovation. My name is Dr. Oluwadamilare Akingbade, the founder and chief executive officer. As a certified global nurse consultant, community health nursing specialist, and digital health innovator, I am passionate about empowering nurses and healthcare professionals to drive technological innovations, plan and conduct cutting-edge research, and organize impactful community-based interventions. I'm thrilled to introduce you to Nursiscope, a consulting firm dedicated to redefining healthcare through the power of nursing. At Nursiscope, we believe that nurses and healthcare professionals are the driving force behind transformative change. Our mission is to empower nurses, healthcare professionals, and organizations by providing expert consulting, tailored mentorship, guidance in cutting-edge research, support for impactful community projects, and innovative digital health solutions. Join us on this exciting journey to transform healthcare. Together, we can create a future where nursing innovation leads the way. Welcome to the Nursiscope family.